Hi and a very warm welcome. Today we are going to explore a fundamental and incredibly powerful skill in Elementor, how to add and customize HTML tags. This might sound a bit technical, but it's actually quite straightforward, and mastering it will give you so much more control over your website's structure, SEO, and design. You can improve your search engine rankings and apply custom styles that go beyond the standard options. Let's jump right in. The most common and easiest way to add simple HTML is by using the Text Editor Widget. When you drag this widget onto your page and click on it, you'll see two tabs above the text area, Visual and Text. The Visual tab shows you what your text looks like, much like a word processor. The Text tab, however, shows you the underlying HTML code. Here, you can directly add tags. For instance, you can wrap a phrase with strong and /strong tags to make it bold in a semantically correct way, which is better for SEO than just clicking the bold button. You could also change a standard paragraph tag, which is P to A block quote tag to format a special quote. It's perfect for these small, inline adjustments. But what happens when you need to add a whole block of custom code, like an embeddable calendar, a third-party payment button, or a frame? For this, the Text Editor Widget isn't the best tool. Instead, you should use the dedicated HTML widget. Simply search for HTML in the Elementor Widgets panel and drag it to your desired location. It will give you a simple input box where you can paste your raw HTML code directly. There is no visual editor, just the code, which gives you a clean slate to add anything you need without Elementor trying to format it visually. This is the go-to method for any complex code snippets. Finally, let's cover a method that is a real game changer for on-page SEO, changing the default HTML tag of an existing Elementor widget. Take the heading widget, for example. When you add one, it might default to an H2 tag. But for proper page structure, you might need it to be an H3 or an H4. Instead of trying to code this yourself, just click on the widget and right there in the Content tab, you will see a drop-down menu labeled HTML tag. You can simply select the exact tag you need, from H1 all the way to H6 or even AP, div or span. This feature is also available on other widgets like the icon box and image box. It's an incredibly easy way to ensure your page has a perfect semantic structure, which search engines love. I hope this guide has made working with HTML in Elementor much clearer. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more easy-to-follow tips and tricks, please consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on notifications. We'll see you in the next one.